Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory SD card into Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 5G. So let's do it. Here is my phone, here is my box, and I want to put my SIM card and SD memory card inside. First, just look inside the box, and we need a little needle, and it's located right here. I hope you see it. Just extract this, and to get access to the SIM tray, it is located here in the left side of your phone. Just insert this needle inside the hole. I hope you see it like this, and now push it. Okay, and now remove the SIM tray, and here there is. Okay, so I hope you see it well. This is a dual SIM version, and you can put one SIM here and another SIM here, and also if you want you can put just one SIM and a memory SD card. I will show you both ways. Let's put the first SIM card, and this is the right position, and now let's put the second SIM card, and this is the right position. Now let's put the SIM tray back into the phone. You need to be a little careful when you do this, and push it. Now enter the pin for the SIM if you have one. Mine is 40, and okay. And now let's go to settings and to SIM cards and mobile networks. And as you can see, I have here both SIM cards. This is from Digimobile, and the other one is from Orange. And now I will remove the SIM tray to show you how to put your memory SD card inside. And to do this, just remove the second SIM, okay, like this. And the memory card will come here. And now let's put back the SIM tray. You need to be careful again, and push it. Now, as you can see, I have a SD card inside, okay, and you can explore it. Now let's remove again the SIM tray, and I will remove the SIM and the SD card, and I will put it back. Okay, I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.